Tragedy in Maypen. 6-year-old perishes in Monday's flood rains. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, still at odds. China Harbour and workers' wage standoff continues.
Deplorable. The state of one St. Catherine police facility.
Reality check. Opposition spokesman tells Clarendon farmers clamouring to run Moneymusk Sugar Factory that it's beyond them.
More protests. Students among scores left stranded as taxi and bus operators in Lindsay St. Catherine withdraw their service for a second day.
And in business news, unchanged. Bank of Jamaica maintains policy rates as growth picks up and inflation remains subdued.
There's also sports post commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what more do you believe could be done in your neighbourhood or town to prevent major flooding?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at television jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.